Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the analysis of this channel. Now, Martha Karua today escaped a narrowly attack from unknown tear gas explosion. As you know, today, Martha Karua was in Gusii Stadium at a rally that was planned by Azimio la Umoja. And of course, those who were behind the management and the preparation of that meeting were people from Kisii County, Nyamira County, and any county that entails Kisii and Nyanza region. And I was surprised what had happened in Gusii Stadium while Martha Karua was given a microphone now to address the crowd. You know, at times things can happen, but we assume that it is something that always happens, so we are used to. But ladies and gentlemen, when I saw that video where Martha Karua was escaping when that explosion was sensed, it was a shocking and terrible thing that even if it was you could have trembled and you could have not believed. So I request with a humble heart to watch this video that I'm going to display here so that we can understand what had happened and the way this explosion happened when Martha Karua was addressing the crowd. So watch this video, then we will be back.
Biomore mwesi hapa Gusii. Inasikika hii kweli?
What is it? Crispy.
I think after watching that video, it is clearly indicating, ladies and gentlemen, that this was a terrible attack to Azimio running mate, that is Martha Karua. Why am I saying this? Because there was two scenarios that was coming out. It was like it was planned, which according to me, I don't want to guess that it was planned. Which according to me, I don't have evidence that someone planned that. Then number two, this was intentional. Someone did it intentionally to try to offend Martha Karua in Gusii Stadium while addressing the crowd. So when I was going across the social media, I found an article written by Standard giving us a report as per the police is trying to identify what had happened. So according to the Standard, they wrote that police have identified the suspect behind the tear gas explosion that disrupted Martha Karua's speech at Gusii Stadium. Then after that, confusion again comes according to the standard, is that police spokesperson revealed that the person responsible for that explosion was none other than a junior police officer. That the said officer is currently in custody assisting further investigations to unravel the circumstances surrounding the incident. Ladies and gentlemen, when this explosion happened in Gusii Stadium, this was like something that was planned. Let us assume like that. Because why is it that at the moment where Martha Karua was going to address the crowd, that was the moment where this Teargas canister just exploded. Then we remain unanswered, because in clear indication, even the way you could have seen the crowd were peaceful. I've heard people saying that there are certain aspirants and candidates were clashing, which according to me, the way I watched that meeting, there was no clash between any other aspirants at that meeting. But what had happened was that after Martha Karua came out, now was submitted the mantle to address the crowd, this is the moment Martha Karua escaped death. And I want to tell you, this was not an easy thing. As you could have seen and assumed that this was easy to Martha Karua. Of course, we do understand this is a political rally that entails all kind of characters. That according to me, and the evidence that I have, is that this explosion was secretly done with an intention that was going to bring certain results. That according to me, I don't think if the result came out the way was expected. Why am I saying this? Because why is it that when other aspirants were speaking to the crowd, and even people danced at the podium, I did not see that Teargas canister exploding. Then after Martha was given the mantle, that's the moment that this came out. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to say it categorically without any fear of contradiction. We might assume this as something that is ordinary and we are used to. But where our campaigns are going is going on a wrong direction, which according to me, I don't expect if this should continue. Because we as Kenyans, what we are praying for is peace. But if peace cannot be tolerated, that it means that according to the police spokesperson revelation, that person that was responsible was the junior police officer, it means that police officers are mishandling their duties. Why are you creating attention and chaos where some were injured, some broke their legs, some were down on their knees? Leaders like Martha Karua escaped. Then you yourself, you are happy with what you did. This should be condemned not only in Azimio la Umoja, but also in Kenya Kwanza Alliance meetings, so that we as citizens to be upheld in a peaceful election. So ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I appreciate so much because of great support. If you're a visitor, please subscribe to this channel. If you're returning subscribers, I appreciate so much for your great work. Bye bye till we meet in another video.